Confucius himself claimed to have written nothing and offered nothing new, insisting his views were taken from older works known as the Five Classics. He was just popularizing through his school. The later Confucian philosopher and scholar Mencius, Mangche, 372 to 889 BCE, however, attributed the Five Classics to Confucius, a view that continued to be held until the mid 20th century CE. These works, three others on Confucian thought, and one by Mencius, make up the four books and five classics which have been the foundational texts of Chinese culture since the time of the Han Dynasty, 202 BCE to 220 BCE, when Confucianism was made the state philosophy.
Confucianism believes in ancestor worship and human centered virtue for living a peaceful life. The golden rule of Confucianism is do not do unto others what you would not want others to do unto you. There is debate over if Confucianism is a religion. Confucianism is best understood as an ethical guide to life and living with strong character. Yet Confucianism also began as survival of an earlier religious tradition. There are no Confucian gods, and Confucius himself is worshipped as a spirit rather than a god.
A belief in higher power alone was not enough to encourage right action. However, nor to control one baser instinct, Confucius advocates a strict code of ethics one should adhere in order to maintain the middle way in life of peace and prosperity. These are known as the five constants of four virtues. Ren for benevolence, Yi for righteousness, Li for ritual, Z for knowledge, Sin for integrity, Shao for facial piety, Zhong for loyalty, Jaya for contingency, and Ji justice and righteousness.
A temple of Confucius, or Confucian temple, is a temple for veneration of Confucius and the sages of philosophers in Confucianism, in Chinese folk religion, and East Asian religions. Chinese people built Confucius temples to commemorate Confucius, also called Kongzi or Confuzi in Chinese, who was a great thinker, educator, and the founder of Confucianism in the late spring and autumn period. This school occupies a dominant position in Chinese culture. Kongzi was among the best recognized sages in the world. He devoted his whole life in education. He had some 3,000 disciples, and many of them were knowledgeable and highly talented. Confucius Temple are also called Kongmiao in Chinese. They are famous for their large scales, rich cultural relic collections, and their artistic value. Among these holy temples, the Confucian Temple in Gufu in Shandong Province, which consists of cemetery of Confucius or Gonglin, Temple of Confucius, Gongmiao, and the Confucius Family Mansion or Gongfu, is regarded as one of the holy cities in the world. The Temple of Confucius in Beijing, the Confucius Temple in Nanjing,